Let's take a few minutes to take a slow look at the painting Vase with Flowers by Dutch artist Jan van Huysum. Start by finding a comfortable position in your chair. You can have a bit of a wriggle to get comfy. Now let your body be still. Feel the back of the chair against your spine. Plant your feet firmly on the floor. Feel the connection with the ground beneath them. Imagine your feet have roots digging into the floor. Breathe in the scent of the flowers in front of you. Breathe in and out, and in and out. Focus your attention on the painting. Allow your eyes to move up to the very top of this elegant bouquet of flowers. What colours can you see? And now, let's move our eyes back down to the very bottom. There's a bird's nest here. Look at the eggs. Are they all the same size? Let's take an even closer look. The artist applied his paint with delicate brushes. Some might only have had a single hair. Notice the detail. Let your eyes wander around the painting. See the tiny droplets of water balancing on the bluey green leaf with its jagged veins. The bright red 13-spot ladybird. The minuscule ants exploring the soft petals of the white rose. This impossible bouquet is made of flowers which would never have bloomed at the same time. A concoction of flowers from all 4 seasons. The red bells of the red turban cap lily. The blue hues of the English iris. The plump white flowers of the feverfew. The baguette tulip with its tall, sturdy stalk and red and purple streaked white petals. All of the flowers are unique. They all have different qualities, just like we do. This bouquet reflects to us the seasons and changes we may go through. And whilst at times life can feel impossible, it can also be beautiful and full of wonder.